about kinetic energy and potential energy in a marble run. And you start with potential energy, and when you drop the marble and it starts going down, then it starts turning into kinetic energy, and it starts building up momentum, and then when it has a ramp up, then it will use that kinetic energy and it will go up the ramp, but then that turns back into potential energy because it's not going very fast, and then it goes back down and it turns back into kinetic, and potential, kinetic, and it makes kinetic energy because gravity is pulling it and it is going down. That is what builds momentum. Then when it goes back up, it has that speed to help it go back up, and then at the top of the thing that you went back up, it has a lot of potential energy. Then it goes straight back down, and then you get a lot of kinetic energy. So you can kind of build that up or take it down.